The bridge is broken. The cows can't cross.
We will build a new bridge.
Bruno, we need a lot of wood here.
I'll handle it. These trees are strong enough.
Great, let's start. 1, 2, saw away.
Hold steady.
Here, the straightest nails. Thanks, Luna.
This pillar must be very sturdy.
I will double check.
Almost done.
Great job, Milo!
This joint is fine. This one, too.
Absolutely reliable.
It's done.
Excellent work, team.
Go slowly, everyone.
The bridge is very sturdy.
Someone's in trouble.
Let's run and see. Oink, help me.
Don't worry, I'll pull you up. Ouch! It's too slippery.
Let me do it. Hold on tight. Oink.
I'm up. You're all clean now. Here, have some corn. Thank you, everyone, so much. Be careful when it rains.
Oh, look! The beehive is about to fall. We have to help.
Remember to be careful, Milo.
I'll be fine.
Almost there.
I'm here to catch you from below. Stay calm, little bees.
Bruno, get ready! I've got it securely.
Lower it slowly.
Gently, almost done.
Stable. The new house is very sturdy.
These flowers will help the bees make honey. That's a great idea. We'll have honey for breakfast soon.
Awesome.
It's time to feed the chickens.
I'll lend a hand.
Eat well, little ones.
This spot still needs more corn.
Luna, Bruno, look.
The egg is about to hatch.
Slowly, the baby is coming out. So cute. Welcome to the farm, little one.
Let me shield the little one from the wind.
The cutest thing today. Be strong and healthy, little one.
Let's go watch the sunset.
That's a great idea.
Here are some snacks.
Woo!
Awesome.
Today was so long.
But very meaningful.
I have a new idea for tomorrow.
Another brilliant idea?
Brilliant idea?
A giant windmill.
Sounds interesting.
This part should be smaller.
Oh, right. Perfect.
The wind is strongest if we put it here.
Great. Let's do it.
Let's continue tomorrow. Yes, time to rest.
Tomorrow will be so much fun.
Remember to sleep early.
We did a great job today.
Our team is the best.
The saw is still sharp. The hammer is good.
Let me check the nails, too. Just missing a few screws.
I'll go get more. We have enough now.
Let's take it to the light to check. Everything is fine.
Tomorrow we build the windmill.
Good night, friends.
Tomorrow will be another fun day.
Wake up! Let's build the windmill. I'm awake. I'm awake.
Eat breakfast to be strong. Yum, yum. Thanks, Luna.
The wind is good today.
Perfect for building the windmill.
These 3 points are perfect.
Let's drive in the stakes.
1, 2, it's secure.
The depth is just right.
This pillar needs to be lifted a little more.
I've got it. I've got it.
The screws are tight. Perfect. No adjustments needed.
This blade length looks good. I'll carve the wood. This blade is quite heavy.
The heavier, the stronger it spins.
It's smooth now, safer. Thanks, Luna.
Lift! Hold steady! I've got it! Attach it!
It's tight. Last stand! It's spinning.
Woo, it's beautiful.
We did it!
Absolutely amazing!
The whole team is wonderful. Time to prepare for a new project.
It's spinning stronger than yesterday.
Good wind.
We can pump water from here.
Good idea!
I've connected the hose. Let's try it.
Turn the valve gently. It's flowing. We can water the whole garden.
Luna, where needs watering first? The row of sunflowers.
Cool water here.
Hi,
That's right. Thanks, Bruno.
the wind is too strong. Reducing it now.
That's stable now.
The plants are alive again.
All thanks to the windmill!
It looks like the ducks want to ask for something.
Let's go check.
Oh, the pier is broken. We can fix it quickly.
This plank can replace that one.
Let me screw it in. It's held securely now.
Done in a flash!
Quack, quack.
Feel free to walk on it.
Let's rest a bit.
It's really nice to sit here after work.
It's truly the best reward. All right, what's next?
Let's check the vegetable garden first.
Oh, there are strange footprints.
Whose footprints are these?
Someone secretly ate the carrots!
I wonder who it was.
Someone is hiding.
Let's go see.
Sorry, I was so hungry.
Oh, it's our hedgehog friend. You should have just told us. I was too shy.
Eat this. Thank you, everyone.
Here it is. This spot is broken. We can fix it quickly. This board is the right size.
Hold it. I'll screw it in.
It's sturdy now. All done. I won't cause trouble again.
When you're hungry, just come find us. Be careful on your way.
Yes, thank you. The farm is peaceful again.
Thanks to the whole team.
Just to be sure. Just to be sure.
So meticulous.
Hey, I have a new idea.
Here we go again.
Let's go see the horse stable. I have an idea.
What idea now?
This door is stuck.
Let me see.
It's all rusted. We have to replace it.
We have to replace it. It's off now.
Let's install the new hinge.
It's tight now.
Let's try opening it.
The new door is sturdy.
So well behaved.
Eat this carrot, little one.
End of the day's task.
The farm is safe again.
Every day is memorable.
And full of ideas, too.
Yellow Star Team forever!
Yay!